Welcome. This is part 2 story. If you have not watched the part 1, I'll give them in the description. You can see that. So now we'll see what happened. Somebody was watching Sakura, right? Can we see who was watching? We'll see the story. Do you know who was watching? Hey, it's nothing but a dog. Sakura's pet. So what did it do? It said, "How long I was waiting for you." See, it was waiting for a long time. Then it said, "On the way, I saw something." And it was thinking and it even spoke to me. What is it? It's a cow. Oh, what did the cow think? Sakura asked. Do you know? It's cow's thought. Who's this coming near me? It's a dog, right? Shall we see whether it See, it saw a dog. Then what did the cow say? Shall we see? It said, "I give milk." And it asked, "Do you know milk? Have you seen milk?" Shall we see who is milk? Hey, this is milk. It says, "I am milk." Oh no, the dog is very happy, running here and there. It wants to learn more about milk, cow, and everything. So it's thinking, we'll see about all the other domestic animals and milks and others with this animation in Linux in the next video. To see how all these commands work, I'll give the details in the description for each command and you can see that in those videos. Thanks for watching. Continue watching the next series to see what all this dog has learned. Thank you. Thanks for watching.